Okay guys, here we go. Here's another example of the bird room. Don't forget, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Here we go. This is Linus. This here's a green-winged macaw. There's the hyacinth macaw. There's Molly. Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. That's Apollo. As you can see, it looks like they're chewing their names I put on the cages. That's a female Eclectus. That's a little black-capped conure. This is Sade. That's Sade. There's little Sade. It looks like Bubs destroyed his toy down there. You destroy your toy. There's Pablo. Here's one of my favorite birds. That's one of my favorites. Pikachu. Here's another one. I don't know why he's on the bottom of his cage. There's Pikachu. 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 See if I can get him to come out. A little scared of the camera. There's Alex. Alex, can we talk today? You wanna talk? Tickle, tickle. I know you guys seen him before. That's Simon. He's the male Cape Parrot. There's the Crimson Belly again. Here's the baby, the male Eclectus and the female Eclectus. And of course, the babies. Another male eclectus, it's Louis. There's Picasso. And show everybody how bright you are, bud. There's Rocky. Mr. Rocky. Here's Alice. Let's bring Alice out. Come on, Alice. There's Alice. Here's Alice. Go ahead, you can come out later.
Hi.
There's Kiki D. You want to come out, Kiki D? There's Kiki D. She comes out. Kiki D. Go ahead. Go ahead. She don't like to go back. We try to spend time with these guys every night. Like I said before in the other videos, they got plenty of toys. This is their bird room. We have nets to hang up in here. So it's a really nice room. The floors are all epoxy coated and they're all heated, radiant floors in here. Everybody's pretty friendly. Let's see if I can't get you a better view of this toucan. Let me see if I can get him to come out a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's what I wanted to do. See his little hair? It's like it's plastic. But as you can see, I got him on my hand. He's another really friendly bird. A little toucan. His little curly hair. Feels like plastic. He's a good boy. Well, that'll wrap up the video. Hope you enjoyed it. There will be more videos to come. I just did this on my new camera. I have a GoPro 8. Like I said, look for the new videos going to be coming that I'm going to be shooting. And remember to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Thank you.